So, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. This is the first video about the correction of the exercise in regards to the full costing method, the Hayflow company case. So, in this video, we will discuss about the company's Hayflow manufactures and market diet products. This company produce two kinds of herbal infusion. So in the 20 pack, we have a lady infusion, Duran infusion. And our objective is to calculate the full cost and determine the profitability for each product line. So you can see that here as the production process of the company, the production at the companies produce the product at the two main production workshops. The first workshop naming is sorting and drying. This is a primary processing stage. At this stage, the freshly purchased plant enter this workshop directly for sorting and drying. So it's very important to take a note that the fresh plants lose 25% of their weight during the drying process, creating a semi-finished product. We call this a dry plant. After the first workshop, the dry plants go to the second workshop. This is the final assembly and packaging step. We also have to take the very important information here that dried plants are consumed from inventory and are basically measured. For 2 grams of dry plants are packed into each paper bag and 20 bags are then packaged into each branded tin to create the finished product. So you have the information about the December purchases, about the December production, and also about the December sales, and on other information about the direct labor charges for December in each workshop, so you can see how many hours and also the cost per hour. And on the information, we call this the beginning inventory for the 1st of December in terms of the semi-finished product, the packaging, the material. So here you can see that the company buys the material, but they also buy the other packaging the material like the empty bag and the empty tin to make the final product. And of course, we have some finished goods at the beginning. So in this table, we could have all of the breakdown of indirect cost after the secondary allocation. So we can see that the first column is the total indirect cost with all of element, the cost driver, total driver activity, and cost driver rate. So first, the second column is the information about the procurement center, and after that sorting and drying workshop, packaging workshop. And here we have also the two non-production center. Here is the distribution and administration. So you have all information about the total direct cost, the cost driver, and the number of the driver activity and the cost the driver's rate. So in this case, you don't have to calculate the indirect cost and finish the table. So our job is to calculate the cost of each product, right? And we can see that there's these two products, whether there's a profitability and what happened and what is in order to solve these questions, our objective is to apply the full cost method by using the cost centers to accurately calculate the total cost of each product and determine its analytical result, so with profitability. So this is the first part about introduction of this exercise. See you next in the next